All right, guys, this is great news, right? Finally, my reward just dropped in my back office. Yesterday, I recorded a video and I told you guys that I have not received anything at all from CuBig. But today, as I log in into my account, I saw some money in my account. Okay, now don't get me wrong, the money that I saw is not even anything that I am expecting, but it is something at least, right? It means CuBig is trying to get everything fixed regarding our payments. So I am going to share my back office with you. But before I share my back office with you, I want to just show you this screenshot again that I took from CuBig. This is the bonus distribution schedule. This was in my video yesterday. These are the dates that they are distributing the rewards. Okay, it is going by batch and according to when you registered. Now, I understand that some people said they've not received anything. Just like me, yesterday I told you guys that I've not received anything. And then today, boom, the money is there, right? But as I said, it's not the money that I am expecting, just so you know. And they also dropped this message to say all bonus calculations have been completed. Starting today, we are officially entering the batch distribution phase, and all rewards are expected to be fully released by June 29th. So I am hoping, based on this information that they dropped in the official CuBig Telegram channel, that by 29th we will see a bigger lump sum of money coming into our account. So this is my account, right? And they have updated this tab. It used to be rewards tab, but they've changed it to finance. So if you log in into your account, click on finance. When you click on finance, you scroll back up here under financial overview, you will notice that there is money here. As I said, it is not a big money for me, right? It is not. But there is something happening in the back office. Okay. As I promised yesterday, that if anything happens in my account, I will let you guys know. This just happened today and I decided to share this with you. Now, I am going to wait until 29th of June, according to what they said here in this update that they dropped in the official Telegram channel. I'm going to wait until 29th of June and see if the money that I am going to receive will be more than what they are looking at my financial overview page at the moment. Now, below this, you will notice where they say club voucher. I still don't understand what that means, but I'm sure I will get explanation later on, okay? And I will let you guys know what that means. Clearing wallet could be after you have made your withdrawal. The balance will show here. I don't know yet because I've not made any withdrawal yet. Balance is, of course, what you have in your balance that you can withdraw. And then your total assets will be what is totaling of your balance plus your club voucher. That will give you your total assets, okay? And remember that if you click to withdraw, for example, right? If you click to withdraw, it's going to show this page, okay? It's going to show this withdrawal page. So this withdrawal page, it will tell you your token type, your chain name, which is BEP20, which is on Binance network, right? And then they are telling you that the minimum amount to withdraw is 3 USDT, okay? And it will tell you the balance that is available for you to withdraw. So you can even see that the money I have now is not even up to the minimum for me to withdraw. And then here it will show your wallet address, and your wallet address should be USDT BEP20 deposit address. That is what you are going to copy and paste there. And then where it says email verification code, you are going to click get a code, and then it will allow you to click confirm, and then the money will be processed within 2 or 3 business working days. I think that is what they said. Okay, so as I said, my money is here. just now, but it's not something I'm expecting, but at least it is something. So finally, they have started crediting accounts. What I will have to recommend and advise is, if you have not received anything, be patient, because as I said in my video yesterday, I have been patient, and now this morning I logged in and there is money in my back office. So be patient if you've not received it. Don't stop completing your daily tasks. That is the only thing that I have to tell everybody in my team. Okay, if you are in my team, don't stop to complete your daily tasks, because if you stop and when they pay, you will miss out. It's as simple as that. Okay, you don't want to regret not completing your tax because you've not seen a payment, and then eventually they start paying everybody, and then you don't have any payment because you refuse to complete your tax. So don't fail to complete your tax if you have already registered and you've been completing your tax. Okay, remember, it is $40 for free if you complete all your tasks and accumulate all your points that we are supposed to accumulate. It's not something hard for us to do. It's just, we just need some dedication and consistency to get us, doing these tasks on a daily basis. Is easy. You complete your tasks on 2 different websites, as I mentioned before, and then you will be able to earn this money when they begin eventually paying all the bonuses and all the rewards. So guys, thank you very much. If you would like to join my team in CuBig, the link to do so is below this video description. For those of you that are already in CuBig, please share this video with your friends and family so that they will see what is going on in the back office of CuBig, right? Don't fail to share this video. Don't fail to subscribe. If you have been following me in my previous YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to this one as well. Okay, and I will see you in my team. Thank you. God bless.